Hi guys, it's Masla back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mat latch hook. And I'm showing the camera from this angle and not my face because I feel like it's a lot easier since I can't do things with one hand and switch the camera. So I have it in a good position and it's really hard to get back. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and ding the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. So let's get started. So right now I've started this and it's really easy. So I'm gonna put it here like that, and then I have my little crochet hook, as you can see. Focus, come. Wait, it's just a little blurred right now, but you can see the shape. It's a little hook. Come on. There, look, it's a little hook. And there's a little closure that you don't need, but you never want that closed. You always want it open like this. So I have it right here where I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna I have it like this, like a loop. So either side I'm holding, and I'm gonna open it so it's opened, not closed. I'm putting my loop over, I'm going in, and then I'm gonna hold that loop. I'm gonna go under, make sure you're not grabbing, and I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna grab both of those little strings and I'm gonna go through that loop and I'm gonna remove. And then you see these little things, you don't want it like that, you want to pull it. Oh no, the camera fell. And you want to pull it like that, and then it's done. So you want to do it a lot more times. As you can see, I've actually made a start, but I have all of this to go. So that's how you do it, and it's really secure. If you want to undo one, I'll show you how. So you want to get your hook again opened, and where it is, and you're gonna put the hook right there underneath that little loop that we made. I don't think you can see it right there, and you want to wait, let me just try this. So you want to pull. So I'm trying to do, the camera's not really wanting to cooperate, and then look, you want to pull and it's out. That's how you get rid of one, and I just showed you how to put it back on. So it's quite an easy thing. It doesn't take long, but there's a lot of them you need to do. I'm actually following these instructions right now. There's little squares. Right now I am on this box. I've done both of these boxes. I'm on this box right now, and I am, let me just point you with my little crochet hook because things. Okay, so I am actually right here, right on this line. Is this our box? Yeah, I am on this line, and I do one line at a time, and then I'm gonna go to the edge, and then next I'm gonna do that box, and I'm gonna start up here, and I'm just gonna go all the way to the end, and I'm gonna finish all of it. I'm trying to recreate this lovely thing. There's like little flowers. Right now I am like in this area, kind of. I'm in like that area where my hook is. I remember this square right here. It was super easy because it's mostly this muted green color. And I feel like the easiest square, really, it will be, well, let's look at all the squares we've got. I feel like it will be this one right here, because look how much green there is, and there's just a little hints of orange and red and that dark green and just 3 whites. I actually work in lines, so I start from there, go down to the bottom, and I work all the lines until I reach this black line. On here, it's actually a the little red markings, and when one layer is done, there's a black line right here. So I work until I finish the box, and then I just carry on, and I'm gonna hopefully get to finish all of this. Like, look how much I've done out of all of that. I've only done that much, and I still have 1,000 more things to do in here. So I can actually switch the camera now because I don't have to record any of the little weaving. Okay, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed, and before we end the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button and ding the bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. Bye guys. See you next time.